I'm about to show you how you can change or modify the FOV on R.E.P.O in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So as you probably know, by default there is no option to change the FOV, and with the method I'm going to show you in the video, you will unlock or enable this command to change the FOV directly from the text chat. So you can put /FOV and change the FOV to any FOV you want. So for example, I could decrease it like this. The default value is 70, so I could put the default FOV as well. And yeah, I can basically put any FOV I want. So let's see how we can do this. So to do this, all you need to do is go to thunderstore.io. I will leave the link in the description below, or you can go to Thunderstore and go to communities, view all communities, and search for R.E.P.O right here. It will bring you to the same website, and once you are here, you need to search for a mod. Basically, this is a website that will let you install mods on R.E.P.O. So just search for FOV, and you will see this mob FOV update. So if you click here, you will see the manual download option, which is completely free. So click there and install the mod, and you will also need this library in order to the mod to work. So click there and install it as well. In my case, I have it here already, VP-NextPack. So just open VP-NextPack first and open the folder right here. Now you will see these three files, which you need to copy and paste into the game's root folder. So if you have it on Steam, you just need to open Steam, search for R.E.P.O right here at the library, right click it, go to manage and browse local files. And now you need to drag the files and drop them inside the repos folder. So if you don't have it on Steam, you can just search on the file explorer to find the folder where you have installed the game. And once you do that, you need to open R.E.P.O just one time. So VP-NextPack will start automatically creating the files and folders needed to begin installing mods. So once you open it, you can instantly close it. And now you will see, if you open VP-Next folder, you will see you have this folder called plugins. Just a quick break, I want to let you know that 99% of you are not subscribed yet, and it will really mean a lot to me. So it just takes one click and it will help me a lot. I will be uploading a lot of tutorials and guides about R.E.P.O, so don't forget to subscribe if you find my videos useful. So right here we can add the mods. In this case is the FOV mod. So open the file we just installed, FOV update, and you will see this application extension. You don't need to do anything with all the other files. The only important one is the FOV update one. So you copy it and paste it inside the plugins folder, just like this. And now we could open the game if we want, and we will have the command. So now once you have installed the mod, you can update your FOV directly from here. So just go into any game you want and put /FOV and any amount you want. So for example, I can do it like this, or I can decrease it as well. The default value is 70, so you can do this, and this is the default value if you ever want to go back to the default FOV. This is the first way you can update your FOV, and the other one is to go to R.E.P.O folder, click on VP-Next, then config, and you will see the FOV update config file. So if you open it with your notepad, you will see different settings you can change. Right here, the FOV, you can change it from 45 to 140. The same thing with the crouched FOV, the sprinting one, and more. So you can, as you can see, the default one is 20 for sprinting, so you can increase it if you want, and the same thing with the crouch FOV. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.